important to note county officials still have not released the cause of the malware, but it is affecting several government systems. Vigo County courts experienced some delays and inability to perform their duties because of the attack. News 10's Sarah Lehman was inside the courtroom today. There was a jury trial for this man, Jason Cunningham. He's accused of breaking into several homes earlier this year. You might recall him as the man who one homeowner says spoke to their 5-year-old during the break-in. In continuing coverage tonight, Sarah shares what happened inside the courtroom today and how the malware attack played into the trial.
Patrice, it was a long day in the courtroom for Jason Cunningham's trial, and those computer issues didn't make things any easier. Cunningham's being accused of breaking into several homes in the 1200 block of Poplar Street. This all happened in February of this year. Today in court, 4 different witnesses were brought in front of the jury. 2 were homeowners. The other 2 were the Terre Haute police officers who responded to the call. Both officers made reference to knowing Cunningham previously and finding out he had other warrants. That's when the defendant's attorney asked for a mistrial. Judge Sarah Mullican gave the prosecutors time to research to try and avoid the mistrial, and eventually she did grant it. Now, prosecutors say things could have gone a lot smoother in the courtroom, but because of those issues with the computer, they had to use other resources to try to help with the mistrial. They had to call back to their office and try to get people to help them and research for them while they were in the courtroom. And Vigo County Prosecutor Terry Modis says that this whole thing is just a huge headache.
We all got to work today and found out that none of our computers would work, and we were hopeful that something could change, that they get them going, but about 2 o'clock we decided to let everybody go home because no one can do everything because we're paperless now at the courthouse. We'll try to find things to do that we can, but like I say, we don't have access to any case information since it's all on computer now, so it's a big problem.
Now again, Modis says no one has confirmed what exactly happened or when their computers will be back up and working. Meanwhile, for Cunningham, they will meet again in court this Thursday to set a date for that retrial. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Sarah Lehman, News 10. Back to you.
One Vermillion